Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make tech tips easy and fun. Today, we're diving into something super handy for your next Delta flight: adding your ticket straight to Apple Wallet in 2025. With Apple's latest updates, this process is smoother than ever, saving you time and hassle at the airport. Whether you're a frequent flyer or just planning a trip, this guide will get you set up in no time. First things first, make sure your devices are up to date. You'll need the latest version of the Delta app on your iPhone and iOS 18 or higher for full compatibility. Why? Because 2025 brings new features like seamless biometric integration and real-time flight updates right in your wallet. Once you're good to go, open the Delta app and log in to your account. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials securely. Next, navigate to your upcoming flights or bookings section. This is usually found on the home screen or under a My Trips tab. Select the flight you want to add. Let's say it's your much-anticipated vacation to Hawaii. Now, look for the Add to Apple Wallet button. It might be right there on the ticket details page or under a share icon. Tap it, and you'll see a prompt to confirm. Apple Wallet will then generate a pass for your ticket, complete with your boarding pass, gate info, and even live updates for delays. If you run into any issues, like the button not appearing, double-check that you've enabled location services and notifications for both apps. Pro tip: if you're using a newer iPhone model, try using Face ID for quicker access. It's a game changer in 2025. Once added, open your Apple Wallet app to verify. Your Delta ticket should show up as a clean, scannable pass. That's it, you're all set. No more fumbling with emails or printouts. This feature not only makes travel easier but also helps the environment by going paperless. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next one. Remember, tech should make life simpler, not more complicated.